Hi, I'm Dr. Sampath Chandra Prasad, consultant ENT skull-base surgeon and cochlear implant surgeon at Apollo Spectra Hospital, Bangalore. Cochlear implantation is a complex procedure that's done for children or for adults who are profoundly deaf. And when I say profoundly deaf, I mean persons or individuals with profound sensory neural hearing loss. The ear has a certain mechanism for conduction of sound, which includes a external bony air conduction and an internal bony conduction. So when there is a problem deep inside the engine of the ears, that is the cochlea, that is when cochlear implantation comes into the picture. A lot of children in India and all across the world are born deaf bilaterally, that is in both the ears every year. It's very important that parents identify this very early, immediately after birth, and I would recommend that the parents subject their newly born to a neonatal hearing screening program. All is not lost if a child is born bilaterally deaf, because cochlear implantation is a wonderful technology which and probably the only technology in the body where sensory neural nerve ending is replaced by a machine, by a hearing device. So in a cochlear implantation, an electrode is placed inside the cochlea, and these electrodes stimulate the nerve endings that are present in the cochlea, bypassing the entire ear hearing mechanism. Cochlear implantation can be done both in children as well as in adults. In a bilaterally profound deaf child, a newborn child, it's very important that the implantation is done as early as possible because of what is called the plasticity of the brain. Over a period of 5 years, if a part of the brain that is meant for hearing is not utilized because the child is deaf, this part of the brain could be used for some other purposes within the brain, and hence it would be useless to do an implantation later on in life, and the child or the individual would not get the desired benefit. So at Apollo Spectra, we've been running a very successful cochlear implant program for a few years now, and we've implanted several children and adults, and all of them are doing extremely well. Now, if the problem is a little more complex, like if the cochlea is malfunctional, if there is an anatomical abnormality of the cochlea is absent, or the cochlear nerves are absent, then the next technology that comes into the picture is what is called an auditory brainstem implantation. An auditory brainstem implantation bypasses the entire ear, and the electrodes are placed directly in the brainstem at the level of the cochlear nucleus. Now, auditory brainstem implantation is reserved for the children who are profoundly deaf, where the problem is not within the ear, not within the cochlea, but even beyond. It could also be of use in adults who have lost hearing bilaterally due to tumors within the ear or in the cerebellopontine angle, most commonly in neurofibromatosis type 2. Auditory brainstem implantation is a complex procedure which involves drilling the bone behind the ear right up to the brainstem, and then placing the electrode directly into the brainstem. There are other modalities of hearing restoration for deafness related, not related to the cochlea, like mixed sensory neural or mixed hearing loss. So these can be rehabilitated using what is called a BAHA, or a bone anchored hearing implant, BAHI in fact. There are other modalities of implantation like vibrant sound bridge and bone bridges and a lot of other technologies. So at Apollo Spectra, we have a comprehensive hearing implantology program, and all these procedures have been done successfully, and we hope to continue this in the years to come. Thank you.